Hey guys, it's Ariel from the Mermaid Perspective, and today I'm going to talk with you about hemp oil. So you may have heard of flaxseed oil, fish oil, but have you ever heard of hemp oil? Well, it is derived from cannabis, but don't worry, it's 100% legal and it's super easy to find. It doesn't contain THC, which is the component of cannabis that will get you high. So sorry if that's what you're looking for, it's not going to give you that effect, but it is going to give you some really amazing health benefits. One, it's going to help slow down the aging process, give you more healthy, hydrated skin and hair. It's also going to help relieve joint pain. So if you're dealing with arthritic pain or you work out, you put pressure on those joints, it's really going to help you there. Hemp oil is also amazing at preventing heart disease. It actually lowers cholesterol and helps prevent fat buildup in your arteries, which is the main cause of heart disease. It's also going to help out with lowering blood pressure. So if you're dealing with high blood pressure, hemp oil is a great supplement. My personal favorite, hemp oil actually helps strengthen brain cognition. So if you're ever dealing with brain fog, you feel like you're processing things too slowly, hemp oil is going to help give you more clarity, get you going. It also helps with stress and anxiety, and it's a great hormone balancer. So if you're dealing with menstrual cramping or you're just feeling kind of not yourself, hemp oil can help bring you back to where you want to be. So how does hemp oil do all these amazing things for you? 3 reasons. 1, it's high in essential fatty acids. 2, it has linoleic acid. And 3, it has vitamin E. Essential fatty acids are really important because your body cannot produce them on its own. It has to be obtained from your diet. And eating a diet high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids can be kind of hard. So hemp oil makes it really easy for you. It actually has a 3-to-1 ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, which matches exactly what the body needs. Linoleic acid is a polyunsaturated fat, and it's found naturally in nuts and seeds. Hemp oil is comprised of 53% linoleic acid. And what exactly does it do for you? Well, it's an antioxidant power punch. So it's going to help eliminate free radicals, and it's actually going to be the component that helps to combat heart disease. Hemp oil also has vitamin E, which is going to be another antioxidant free radical reducer, and it's going to help combat the signs of aging. Hemp oil is super easy to use, so you can use it into smoothies, you can put it into salad dressing, or you can take a spoonful of it a day. It does have a pretty extreme taste to it. It tastes kind of like a nut, so it can be a little bit overpowering, so I recommend going a little bit slow until you totally know the flavor and you are confident that you're going to like the taste. Hemp oil is also non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog pores, so you can use it directly on your face or you can use it in hair masks as well. I'm going to be posting up on the Mermaid Perspective some recipes for face masks and hair masks soon, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, start taking it now. Head to your local Whole Foods, or you can go on Amazon or any natural health food store. I guarantee they have hemp oil in the cooler section.